Now, बच्चे, have a look on illustration number 11. On 1st April 2017, Sonu Limited purchased a machinery for rupees 390, on which they spent 5,000 for carriage, 2,000 for brokerage of a middleman, and 2,500 on installation, and 500 for an iron pad. So 2017 April 1. 2017 April 1, they have purchased an asset to bank account. It will be written to bank account, and you have to add them up. Everything will be added up. 3,90,000 was the cost, bache, and total 10,000 they have spent on expenses. Different expenses they have done for totaling 10,000. So the cost of asset today is rupees 4 lakh. On April 1, 2017, they have purchased one machine costing rupees 4 lakh total. So on November 1, 2018, next year, they purchased another machine for 1 lakh and immediately spent 20,000 on its overhauling. On 30th September 2019, the machine purchased on this date was sold at a loss of 12,780. So this machine will be sold off after 2 years, and the company charges depreciation 10% on written down value method basis, and accounts are closed every year 31st March. So first year, bache, if it is starting on 2017 April 1, this year will end on 2018 March 31, and we will write by depreciation account. 10% of 4 lakh we have to calculate. 10% of 4 lakh will be 40,000, and the remaining balance carried down will be 3,60,000. How? 4 lakh minus 40,000, it will be 360. First year, bache, we have calculated 10% of 4 lakh. 10% of 4 lakh will be 40,000, and 4 lakh minus 40,000, the balance CD will be 360. This year will end on 31st March, and next year will start on same year April 1. To balance brought down, we will write now to balance brought down 3,60,000. This is the balance CD which we have brought down, brought down 360. This year on November 1, we have purchased another machine. 1 lakh was the cost of machine and 20,000 was the expenses. So total 1,20,000 we have purchased. We have spent on this second machine 1,20,000. So now this year will end on 2019 March 31. Beta, how much depreciations we will charge? How many? Depreciation account 2. Because we are having two different machines now. On first machine we will charge 10% of 360. It will be 36,000. 10% we have to calculate. But for second machine, 1,20,000, 10% of it will be 12,000. But better, we have not used this machine for the whole year. We have used from November 1 to 31st March. November, December, January, February, March. 5 months we have taken. For 5 months it will be calculated, and it will be 5,000 only. We have purchased this machine on November 1, and till 31st March we will charge for 5 months only, because we have used for 5 months only. So now balance CD will be having 2. We will be having 2 balance carried downs, because 2 machines we are having. 360 minus 36,000. It will be 3,24,000. And 120 minus only 5,000, it will be 1,15,000. From first machine we will subtract the depreciation of first, and from second we will subtract the depreciation of second machine. Total will be 480. We are having bache two machines and we have taken two depreciations. First for the whole year and second for 5 months only from November 1 to 31st March. Now next year will start on April 1, 2019. Now we are already having two machines. Balance BD we will write 324 and 115. 324, 3,24,000, 1,15,000. We are having two machines. This year we have sold the first machine on September 30. 2019, September 30, we have sold this machine, first machine. And we don't know ki at what price we have sold. This thing is missing this in this question now. And you have to charge certain depreciation and there should be some loss or profit. Depends upon the question. Now in question it is given that you have sold the asset at a loss of 1,27,800. You have sold this asset at a loss of 127,800. And we how much many months we have used it? April, May, June, July, August, September. For 6 months we have used this asset. So we have to charge depreciation for 6 months. Means 3,24,000 into 10% into 6 by 12. We have to take depreciation for 6 months only. It will be 16,200. Beta loss is given in the question. Depreciation we have calculated 10% of the value and 6 months 16,200. From this value we will subtract these two items. These two values will be subtracted from the value of asset. So we will easily get ki at what price we have sold. We have sold this machine for 1,80,000. 3,24,000 was the cost. We will subtract the loss and the depreciation. Then we will come to know कि 1,80,000 was the amount at which we have sold this asset. 324 minus 127,800 and 16,200. Then we will come to know 1,80,000 is the sale price. Now बच्चे we are already having second machine. So this year will end on March 31. Now we have to charge depreciation on second machine only because first machine is sold off. We will forget that machine. This 1,15,000 into 10%. We have used this machine now for the whole year and the depreciation will be 11,500, 10% of this. And on the same date we will calculate the balance carried down. And it will be 1,15,000 minus 11,500. It will be 1,35,000. From the balance of second machine, we will subtract the depreciation of second machine. This will be the balance CD of second machine. Total we will do 4,39,000. 4,39,000. So they said that prepare machine account till 2020. 2020 you have to make till. So April 1 next year will start. Balance brought down. This balance brought down will be 103500. And they have said that till 31st March 2020 you have to prepare the machine account up to 31st March 2020. This we have already made. If the year is starting on April 1, 2019, it will end on 2020 March 31. So this is your answer. And we have to just prepare for 3 years. What we have done in this question, bache? First machine we have purchased on 2017 April 1, 3,90,000 plus 10,000. Total we have purchased for 4 lakh. Depreciation will be 10%. 4 lakh, 10% of 4 lakh will be 40,000. 4 lakh minus 40,000, it will be 360. 360 will become the balance BD next year, and on this 360 you will charge 10% for next year. It will be 36,000. And 360 minus 36,000, the balance carried down will be 324,000. This year on November 1, you have purchased additional machine costing total 1,20,000. From November 1 to 31st March, you have just used this machine for 5 months. 120, 10% in 5 months will be 5,000. 120 minus 5,000, it will be 115. So these two items will become the balance BD for next year. And this year you will charge depreciation, but you have sold this first machine on 30th September at a loss. In this question, loss is given, and you have to calculate the depreciation first, because from April 1 to 30th September you have used this asset for 6 months. So 324 into 10% into 6 by 12, the depreciation will be 16,200. So 324 minus these two values, you will get the sale price, that at 180 you have sold. Now you are having another machine. If the year will start on April 1, 2019, it will end on 2020 March 31. 115, 10% of 1,15,000 will be 11,500, and this minus this depreciation will be the balance CD, and this is your balance BD for last year.